All right, folks. Indian demo days at Bears Power Sports, North Canton, Ohio. Starting off with the Sport Chief today. That thing is sexy. Oh, yes. Been waiting for this one for some time. Oh, yeah. This thing is comfy already. I'll tell you that much, man. Feels good. In sport mode off rip, I think I'm going to go ahead and put it in standard because I don't think I'm ready for all that right now. Ooh, a little pop on that thing. Let's go, baby. Back on the Indians. First time on a Chief, and it's the Sport Chief. Oh, man. I've been waiting for this one for some time. I was a little too scared to ride it last year. I'm not going to lie to y'all. But we on it this time, baby. Oh, yeah. That thing feels nice. So I got my helmet all taped off right now so that I can try to reduce wind noise. But it is making my visor fog up so bad, I might have to take some off, man. Oh yeah, even in standard mode, she is kicking. Thing doesn't feel much heavier than the Scout at all. Decent bit of lean angle for a cruiser. Oh man, let me get the screen switched. Want to see what's going on. There we go. Oh my goodness, this thing pulls. You definitely feel the torque advantage over the Scout, I can tell you that much right now. Kind of actually want to put it in sport mode. I like that immediate throttle response. Oh yeah, she leans over nicely for a little cruiser. Okay, sport mode might be a bit much for me, not gonna lie to you. Oh yeah, that thing is kicking. Doesn't feel too bad as far as the vibrations through the handlebars and whatnot. I mean, if you're used to an extremely smooth bike, then you're definitely gonna feel it because I mean it just has that V-twin rumble. But man, that's just kind of something you get with a big beefy V-twin cruiser like this. And bro, this thing absolutely smacks. Even in standard mode, that torque is different. Yeah, that 116 is absolutely vicious, man. This thing is comfy though. I've heard people kind of complain about the position. Maybe it's because they were a little shorter than me, but I don't mind this seating position at all. I'm slightly, like ever so slightly leaned forward, but I don't mind where these handlebars are at all. Man, this thing sounds good. Can feel all that torque. 80 horsepower. Okay, now we're getting some vibrations. So around 3,000 RPM, definitely gets a little vibey. But like I said, man, 116 cubic inch V-twin, you're gonna be feeling it. Yeah, this is officially the dream cruiser, man. Based on just the looks and the sound, I was already in love with this bike, but this 100% confirms it. Wish they had just a Chief Bobber Dark Horse, because I think I might like the looks of that more than the Sport Chief, but I don't know, man. The brown on this thing, I hope y'all can see this paint. If not, I'm gonna have the info to the bike and a link in the description, so you'll be able to take a look at it. But man, the brown with the gold flake, it is absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, that's all you'll ever need right there, Jim Bob. That's all you'll ever need. Oh man, I need $20,000. I need it right now. If I could, I'd go trade my car in for this thing, but our weather isn't great in Ohio, so I need my car. Man, this thing rides absolutely beautiful. Doesn't feel too stiff over bumps, even for a cruiser. It's pretty light on its feet for its weight. Oh yeah, you just got that torque constantly. Even in fourth gear, 2,000 RPM, she's pulling. This thing is nasty, man. This is definitely something I gotta have a few years down the road when I can afford it. There you go, once again, Indian, just confirming all of the great things I've heard. I don't know what's going on with my helmet right now. It's making a lot of noise though. Hope y'all aren't hearing all that. Don't like that. I think it's just crackling in my ear. I don't know if it's just because it's still pretty new because I haven't worn it too many times or what. Yeah, this bike is lovely, man. So I'm 6'2", 280, 32-inch inseam, and the Sport Chief is plenty comfortable. Seeing how she gets leaned over here. Don't pull out on me there, Sheriff. Hope he doesn't notice how foggy my visor was. Keep trying to close it to make sure my audio is good, but make sure I'm watching my speed with this dude. Okay, he's passing me. Good stuff. Good stuff, deputy. Just going on by me. Oh yeah, it's a little windy today. Man, this bike feels good leaned over. Indian has done an excellent job. This bike sounds so good, even stock, bro. Can we keep it up? Keep it? Oh, I had to put a foot down. Yeah, this thing pulls so nicely, man. Oh, I would do some ugly things to own one of these right now. Man. Oh, a little pop on the downshift. Oh, man. It's so good, people. It's so good. This bike is wonderful. I'm gonna put it back in sport mode for the last little bit. Nobody coming, we good. Oh, man. And what happens when you're not careful? Man, this thing is badass. Oh yeah, we like that torque. We absolutely love that. Yeah, she's a different beast in sport mode for sure. Different beast. I'm not even gonna see what tour mode is like, because I like that throttle response, and I mean it had a good bit in standard mode, but whew, sport mode is kicking. Yeah, that's second gear at 20 miles per hour. It's got kick, man. She'll definitely get away from you. Scared me a little bit back there when I was coming off that light. Did a little bit of a skirt. Chirped that rear tire a little bit, man, but we good. Hashtag no panic mode. And we are back at Bear's Indian Motorcycle, North Canton. Put this thing down in standard mode just to cruise back to the parking spot, but man, telling you what, if you're thinking about this bike, go get you one. Go test ride it. I know y'all are hearing that. Hopefully it's not distorting the mic, because this thing is easily the loudest bike I've ridden so far. Man, that's a badass bike, y'all. All right, folks. Go check out the Sport Chief. Go ride one if you can, man. If you want one, go get one. I'm telling you right now. That thing is badass.